How to add mention an Instagram story after posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add mention in Instagram story after posting. Now, if you open up Instagram and tap on plus icon, or if you tap on your story option and then upload a story real quick here, I'll just select a picture here or a video here real quick. So once you upload it, now if you're gonna upload it, if you tap on the text icon and then tap on @, then you'll be able to mention someone, right? Similarly, if you see there, you'll be able to see mention option at the bottom and you can mention it. However, if you post it without mentioning anyone, now suppose I post this, I'll just post this real quick here and let it be uploaded. Now once you have uploaded it and now you forgot to mention someone and now you want to mention them, what you can do is you can simply tap and open up the story. Then you want to tap on the three dots or the more option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you can simply tap on add mentions, and now you can search for them and you can add mentions from here. So as you can see, so this is the way that you can actually add mention to Instagram story after you have posted it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.